Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another episode on drinks and desserts with talks. Today I'll be teaching you date milkshake, and the primary ingredient in today's video is dates and milk. All other ingredients are flexible and should be added to suit your preference. So without wasting time, I would be introducing the dates I'm using to you. The date I'm using was bought from the store and the seed has been removed. So if you are using fresh dates, ensure you remove the seed before usage. And I will be using half cup of dates, which is equivalent to 12 dates. Other ingredients I'll be using in this video include 1/8 cup of almond and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Well, there are many ways by which people make date milkshake, and it varies from individual to individual. Some actually believe you have to soften your dates and nuts before blending, and they do this by soaking the dates and nuts in warm or hot milk for at least 1 hour, while some prefer to just boil for about 10 minutes. And I'm actually going to be using my dates like that. I don't think I need to soften it. And as for my milk, I'm using cold milk. I just brought out my milk from the refrigerator. So once everything is set, I'm going to just add into the blender and blend until it's smooth. Remember, the choice of milk you use is entirely up to you, and you can also substitute the milk with whipped cream or what you know as every cream. If you're a date lover, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. If you are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more interesting video and yummy recipe. And that will be all for today's video. Do not forget to like, leave a review after trial, and share. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.